I honestly can't believe how stressful my morning was today. From the moment I woke up, it felt like everything was going wrong, and I couldn't catch a break.
You look completely exhausted. Did something happen before you came to the office?
First, I woke up late because my alarm didn't ring properly. Then I spent almost 15 minutes looking for my wallet before finally finding it on the dining table.
That's already enough stress for one morning. I can understand why you're feeling tired.
It didn't stop there. After leaving home, I got stuck in traffic for nearly 30 minutes and watched the clock the entire time.
Some mornings really seem determined to test our patience.
That's exactly how I felt. By the time I reached the office, I already felt like I had worked half a day.
Well, at least you're here now. Hopefully the rest of the day will be much smoother.
I hope so too, because I don't think I can handle another surprise this morning. Oh wow. This is definitely not what I wanted to see first thing in the morning.
What's wrong now?
My inbox is full. More than 60 unread emails are waiting for me, and many of them look important.
That's enough work to keep anyone busy for hours.
Some emails need urgent replies, some require reports, and others are asking for updates before the end of the day.
The best thing you can do is focus on one task at a time instead of thinking about everything together.
You're right, but it's difficult not to feel overwhelmed when the list is this long.
Once you start completing a few tasks, you'll feel much better.
I really hope so because right now my inbox looks more stressful than the traffic I dealt with earlier.
Don't worry, just take it step by step.
That's exactly what I'm going to do.
Good morning, everyone. We have an important client meeting in about 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That's much sooner than I expected.
The client requested an urgent discussion this morning, so we'll need to prepare quickly.
What information do they need from us?
They want updated reports, campaign results, and recommendations for next month.
That's a lot of information to prepare in such a short amount of time.
Some of the reports are still being finalized, so we'll have to work very efficiently.
Exactly. I need everyone focused and working together.
All right, let's divide the tasks and get started immediately.
Good idea. Teamwork will definitely make this easier. Please tell me this isn't happening right now.
What happened? You suddenly look worried.
The presentation file won't open, and I need it for the client meeting.
That's not good at all. Did you save a backup copy?
I think I did, but I'm not completely sure where I saved it.
Stay calm and check your cloud storage. Maybe you'll find it there.
Wait a second. I found it.
That's a huge relief.
You have no idea. For a moment, I thought all my work from the last 2 days had disappeared.
Thankfully, disaster avoided.
And hopefully the last disaster of the day.
You've been working non-stop since morning. How much work do you still have left?
Honestly, more than I expected. Every time I finish one task, another one appears almost immediately.
That's usually how busy days work. The important thing is that you're still making progress.
I know, but my to-do list somehow feels longer now than it did this morning.
At least you're getting things done one by one. That's what really matters.
You're right. I just need to stay focused and keep moving forward.
Exactly. Before you know it, the day will be over.
You're right. I just need to stay focused and keep moving forward.